One thing in the beauty community that we're obsessed with is talking about flawless. Get flawless skin, get a flawless makeup, have flawless whatever. I need to stop doing that. I am guilty of that, and I need to stop imposing that unrealistic beauty standard on people in my videos. Nobody is flawless. Nobody. And I feel like when you make videos and you say get flawless skin, like that just grabs everybody's attention because you want to be flawless and you aspire to be flawless, but nobody is flawless. And why would you want to be flawless? It would just be such a boring world. I don't want to continuously say how to be flawless using makeup because I don't want anybody on this app growing up as a younger person in the next generation to think that that's what you have to be, or that's what makeup has to make you look like, or else the makeup doesn't work. Makeup is there to enhance your beauty, to enhance your individuality. It's there to be a self-expression, an outlet for yourself. It does not have to make you look flawless. It will never make you look flawless, and that's okay. That's fine. You are beautiful just the way that you are.